don't know. You're gonna find out.
Yeah. Like this. I make slime. See?
Wow, so many things.
Okay, we'll open this one.
What color is it?
And yellow. See?
And is it slime or a foam?
It is duffel.
Foam again?
Look, see?
Fluffy?
Yes. Yes, it is here with the glitter.
Yeah, look how many you have here.
Yeah.
Look,
Look,
I
one.
love the bottles.
Yes. Look at this. One.
White one.
It's full. It's full. Again.
Ah.
It's so good.
Feels so good.
Yes. Okay. I put this right here.
You have any foam left? The blue one.
There's a horse. See? Look.
Wow.
This. Big guy. Okay.
Wow.
See?
Wow.
Okay.
How many foams you have?
I look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put the one like this. Ah! Look.
You need to put the slime.
Okay. Okay, look. First. Wow, look.
Good job.
Oh,
Can I see it?
yeah.
Amazing.
Wow, look how beautiful it looks.
Yes, okay. What now? Look at this. Okay, now let's do this. Is this a move? No, this is not a move. See?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cookies.
Wow.
Okay, you put some more sauce. I put some in. Wow, wow. Count down. I put this one right here. I drop it and see it's gone. Yep, it's gone.
Done.
Okay. Ooh, the powder. The powder come out. I put in the power here.
Wow.
The power come out.
Mm-hmm.
The power.
Powder.
Powder.